my name is Makayla MaShelle if you're new here, and if not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me as I color and curl this unit. So if you would like to see that, then be sure to stick around. But before I get on into that, I just want to say thank you so much to Asteria Hair Company for sending me this unit. All of their information and the information on this unit will be in the description box as always. Now let's get on into it. So on this unit, I did have to bleach the knots, and then when it came time to bleaching the hair, I used 30 volume developer, applying the bleach 1 to 2 inches from my root just so I could create a dark root look. And I only had to go through the bleaching process once to achieve the lift that I desired. I didn't include the full bleaching process, you guys, in this video just because I wanted it to be a little bit shorter, so I hope you don't mind.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterfly.
Okay, you guys, so I know it kind of seems like I've just been going crazy with the hair color, but and I kind of was, but the reason why I did this is because the mahogany color that I had chosen had a little bit more purple in it on the bottle than I knew that I wanted. So that is why I was mixing the colors the way that I did. I would say if you want the hair to be a little bit browner and have a little bit more of those purple burgundy-ish undertones, to not put as much Cajun spice. And then if you want it to just be a darker color in general, don't put as much honey brown.
Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, I wanna be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind?
Okay, in this clip, it has been about 10 minutes since the hair first went into the watercolor. I like to come back and just kind of check on the hair, move it around a little bit, comb through it, and just kind of reposition the hair to make sure all of the hair has been covered, even though normally it is. I can't help but check on it. And then after I do this, I normally let it sit for another 5 minutes and then I wash it out. So the hair processes for about 15 to 20 minutes typically. Okay, you guys, so before I get on into the review, I just want to say I'm super sorry for the distracting computer screen in the background. I did not realize that my camera was angled in a way that you guys could see it. But side note, I was watching the 100, and oh my goodness, you guys, I love this show, so you guys should watch it. But yeah, let's get on into the review. So this hair was sent to me from Asteria Hair Company. They sent me a 24-inch straight unit in the size large. Yes, you guys, I have a very big head, and it still fit me, thank goodness. And this unit came pre-plucked, is what it says, and that it had baby hairs. It did have baby hairs, but for me, I did have to pluck the unit some more just because of how my hairline is and the amount of like gradient of hair that I like. I don't know, that's not the proper word I should probably use, but yeah, so I did have to pluck and bleach this unit myself, bleach the knots I mean, and then when it came time to bleaching the unit so I could dye it, the hair took to bleach very well as dye. It did not become damaged or anything like that. And yeah, so I feel like the hair was a very good unit, to be honest. The one thing that I will say is that the hair in the frontal is a little bit shorter than the rest of the hair, so if you want to cut your hair into layers, then I mean, you already got kind of one layer going on, but if not, it's not like a huge noticeable difference, but for me, I just would prefer to cut my hair in layers, considering, yeah.
Just the fling. I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please be sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaShelle. Bye. Okay, fall. Okay, ma'am. Hot girl fall. I know my other color was like a hot girl fall, but like this one really is fall. Like that was like summer fall. This is like fall. Like, brr, it's a little cold fall. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? You feel me? Am I just talking? Am I just talking? Do sprinkler. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, look at her. Look at these bundles. Look at the bundles. Look at them slay. Does my hair look a little coney? Because we can't have that. We can't have that. could really use this sandwich right now. I'm very hungry.